Hi loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and today we are restuffing our binders. Now, as you guys know, we changed our binders. We have new envelopes, new everything. If you haven't watched that video as yet, it is on the channel, so go ahead and check that out. Today I am going to start out the video with a positive quote, as I normally do, and today's positive quote is becoming the best version of me. Make sure that you guys always try to become the extreme best version of yourself. Don't let anyone stop you from doing whatever you want to do in life, and always go for what you want. We're going to start by restuffing. I think we have $798 here that we are going to be stuffing into our high priority sinking funds and my daughter's binder. In sinking funds, we have spent so much money, y'all. Like, a lot of money has been spent. We need to get back on track. For example, in sinking funds, we did go on that Vegas trip. So birthdays is done, because that was my boyfriend's birthday and I gave him his birthday money. So we ended up with $500 in the birthday envelope, and I did give it to him to get whatever he wanted to get for his birthday, so that's out. We also have money in vacation, which is completely gone as well. I think we had $150 or $200 in there, but that's done. We also had money in self-care, and self-care is completely done as well. So we definitely did spendings throughout the couple past months. So we have $798 right now that we're going to restuff between both binders. And I am going to go ahead and add my daughter's, I think she has $195 that she had in her savings book, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that back in there in a separate envelope. I'm not going to start off her new challenges with money that she already had saved, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to go back into her book, and I'm just going to add $195 that she has, and I'm going to go ahead and add an extra $5 on it and just make it $200. Okay, so let's get into the stuffing. All right, so we're gonna start with our 20s. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we have 280. For 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 350, which makes it 630. Next, we are going to the 5s. For 5s, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So we have 260. Wait, 160. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 160. And then we have our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. The first binder that I want to go ahead and stuff is my daughter's binder. She's supposed to have $195 in her savings, which I'm going to go ahead and add an extra $5 to that, and I'm going to make it $200, and we are going to separate that $200 from the saving challenge that I just added in her binder, because I don't want to recycle that money to use it for saving challenge when, you know what I mean, like I can use that saving challenge and build more money. So let me go ahead and grab an extra $5. Okay, so we're now gonna go ahead and take out $195 that's hers, so we can go ahead and put that into her binder. So we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Stack it until it gets to like 1,000, and then I'll deposit it into a bank account that I want to open for her. So we're gonna put the $200 in the empty envelope in the back, and then that's basically it for my daughter's binder. And then we are going to go ahead and jump into high priority, and then let's do some stuffing. So for high priority, I did write it down on my iPad. New categories were added. So this is a restuffing video, which is me just putting back money that was previously in the binders back in the binders. So whatever new envelopes are there will not be getting anything. So for higher priority, the first envelope we have is emergency. And for emergency, we're gonna go ahead and add back, I think we had $60 in emergency, so we're gonna go ahead and add back our $60 into emergency. So we're going to take the 20s, so we have 20, 40, 60. Take up the emergency envelope, and we're going to add back our 60 in there. Matter of fact, I love these envelopes very much. I think they're my favorites. I might add them to the website, so you guys should look out for that. Once I'm all settled, I'll go ahead and add them to the website if you guys want to order like custom ones, I guess. Back to the, it's going to be a lot of work to make, but you know, you have to work hard in life. So credit cards was not a previous category, so I don't have anything to restuff there. We have taxes. We're adding back the $35 to taxes that taxes had. So we have 35. We're putting it back in taxes. Moving right along, we are heading into sanitary stuff, which is a new envelope that was added. So it didn't previously have anything in there. Supplies didn't have anything in there. Citizenship is also new, didn't have anything in there either. Moving out, which is apartment, had $50 in there. So we're gonna go ahead and add back our $50 to moving out. Okay, so moving out had $50. We went ahead and applied that $50 back in there. So that is it for high priority for now. That's the categories that were there. My daughter's savings was also a category there, but now I just gave her a whole binder to herself. So high priority is basically finished with the restuffing for now. I am jumping into sinking funds, and we're going to stuff sinking funds. So let's see what our sinking funds had. Okay, so for sinking funds for Christmas had $160. So let's see, we have 80 right here. This makes it 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we had 20, 40, 60, 80, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So Christmas had $160, which is there. Next we have birthdays. Birthdays only had $15 because we had spent the birthday money for my boyfriend's birthday. Moving right along, we have my daughter. She had $20 in her envelope, so we're gonna go ahead and put back her $20. Next we have Black Friday had $115. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 115 for Black Friday. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 115. So putting back our 115 for Black Friday. I'm loving these new envelopes. Next we have car maintenance, which had $23. So we have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, $23 in car maintenance. We have my birthday, which is a new category that I added to sinking funds. We have tolls, which had $35. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And let's use the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. My brother had 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Travel had $10. No, this is my mom, sorry. So my mom had $10 as well. Date night, I literally just added back this category to this binder. And vacation had $10 as well. And then self-care is also new and added, which we're starting our self-care with $0. So that's it for sinking funds, restuffing. And basically that's it for the $798 restuffing of my envelopes. I'm ready to get back into getting more disciplined with my stuffing, and I'm so excited that I'm back. I'm back on track. I'm not that off anymore. I'm not that busy anymore, so I could get back focused on my cash stuffing. I could get back focused on controlling my finances and etc. So I'm really happy about this. But thank you guys so much for watching the video today. It's always a pleasure to come on here and post a video for you guys. You guys are awesome, great, and I love all of you so much. Thank you for all the support that you have been giving me, and I will see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the